Hey everybody, this is Jamie Buterf with Laser Arkansas. I know I'm posting this to my Facebook page, my original one I've had for a long time, the 432 design. Most of you who've been following me all these years, you know that my Facebook page for this one has been blocked. So anyway, I am starting a new industry. I'm into lasers now. I have laser engraving, laser cleaning. Matter of fact, I acquired a CO2 laser engraver, a Glowforge, and it didn't work. I got it all fixed up and running, but on the reservoir for the coolant it says use only OEM. Well, they didn't make it. Glowforge doesn't make laser coolant. Nobody knew what to do with this, what to put in there. They were talking about antifreeze, from your car. No, you don't want to do any of that. It's got all kinds of contaminants in it that you do not want in your laser tube. So I invented my own. After weeks and weeks of research, and most of you know me, I do my research pretty thoroughly. I created the best stuff. This is it's actually a heat transfer fluid. It's a combination of ethylene glycol and just a little bit of propylene glycol. But anyway, it's getting the right consistency, the right viscosity is what you need, the right fluid transfer. It goes to heat transfer. It's good to -36 below, 0 for freezing. It's perfect. It's the best. It's what you need. I have it in my lasers. So anyway, this is just some of the things I do. I wanted to show some laser cleaning. I did a video about laser cleaning some rusty tools. You can take, it's like 10 seconds to get the rust off of your tools, and this is one that I didn't clean. You can see how rusty it is. But anyway, this is a piece of aircraft. On the other side I've been working on, they have some issue with rivets. It's really difficult when you're stripping a plane to get around the rivets, especially the button top rivets. So that's what I'll be doing. So if all of you who follow me on 432 Design, you want to follow me with my lasers, going to be talking about lasers, how they work. For example, one of the interesting things about lasers is you can, aim it to an aluminum panel or a piece of wood and flames come up, but there's no damage to the substrate because it's having to do with frequencies. There's 3 major components to how you're going to operate a laser, how to function it properly, and that's power, frequency, and pulse width. So those are the 3 things you play with. I'll get into more of those in depth. If you guys are interested, follow me back. I'm not going to be posting anything to this channel here. I just want to let everybody know who's a follower and subscriber to this channel. I am now on Laser Arkansas. My website's laserarkansas.com, and my handle for my new YouTube channel is this Laser Arkansas. So you guys can follow me over there. Be talking about all kinds of cool stuff. Might get off into the weeds a little bit. I do have CNC routers here. Might be talking about some of that, some woodworking, laser engraving, milling, really cool stuff. So this channel is not blocked, and hopefully Leonard Horowitz and his cohorts won't be able to lie to get me blocked. And of course there was like a couple hundred other people that got blocked, and you guys know we went through the whole thing. There's videos on it. So anyway, I am now on YouTube, TikTok at Laser Arkansas. You can find me on Facebook at Laser Arkansas. So look forward to hearing from you. Look forward to joining me on my new channel, and look forward to this new adventure in lasers. So we're going to have some fun, and we're going to be doing a lot of aircraft. I'll be doing some videos for aircraft cleaning, because it's really important, because you can really screw up a piece of aluminum if you don't know what you're doing. So anyway, this is Jamie. Follow me over to my new channel. Look forward to talking to you there. All right, thank you. Bye.